The top 3 mistakes. First mistake is patience. Just because it's an online program or an online business that they want to get into doesn't mean that you're going to get rich overnight. So patience would be the biggest mistake. And I would say expectations. Also, nothing in life that's worth having comes easy. One of the things that I always tell our student base is if it's worth it, it's going to hurt a little bit and it's going to take a little bit of time. But you have to have perspective of the amount of time that you're willing to put in your job and where it can get you, the amount of time that you're willing to put into education, like traditional education, college. People are willing to wait 4 years and go $200,000 in debt, but God forbid it takes you 90 days and 40 hours to learn a new skill set that could make you 10 times the amount of money that you can make in a job. So I would say perspective is a big thing, or expectations. And the third is, I would say, understanding that the comfort zone is not where big things happen. A lot of people don't realize that I actually have to get a little uncomfortable in this new business venture. And being uncomfortable is a very, very good thing. I have a writing on my wall that says, most prefer the certainty of misery than the misery of uncertainty. And so it's a mindset shift that people have to go through.